Hey guys, so this right here is a manual impact driver, and this is a super handy tool for $15. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use it to remove screws like this one that have been stripped out, or screws like the lug here, which have been over tightened or seized up by corrosion. So this tool works very simply. When you hammer on the top, this will twist to the left, or if you switch the setting by twisting that, it'll twist to the right. This is not for tightening screws, it's just for loosening reverse threaded screws. So let's keep it in the left rotation mode, which is actually marked by an R because that's for right-handed screws. This came with some bits and extractors. However, this works with any impact rated driver bit. And all you do is just put the bit on the tool and then line it up with the screw and start hammering on the top, and you can see this move. So all that hammering has now caused this screw to loosen, and as you can see, I can back it out using a standard screwdriver. Whereas previously the screw head was so damaged that it would not come out at all. This has loosened it up enough that I can unscrew it, and it looks like the screw snapped off in the hole, but that's fine. Now I'm going to be demonstrating how to use this on seized up screws. Same exact process. I'm going to be using the flathead bit, since this is a flathead screw on this wire lug that has been over tightened and seized up. You just hammer it. And you can see that that started backing out. And those impacts must be helping too, because now you can see this thing's so loose, you can practically turn it out by hand. Just grab a screwdriver, and as you can see, this now loosens up easily and I can take this apart. So I bought this tool to fix a problem similar to what I first demonstrated to you guys using the stripped screw in wood. I was fixing a door and the screw head was completely screwed up. This tool got it right out, so it's definitely worth having around. Hope you guys learned something and enjoyed this video, and see you all next time.